I'm working through all the free video tutorials for the Singer SE9180 sewing and embroidery machine. Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, and that's what I do. I take a sewing machine out of the box and then do a video on every page of the manual, keeping the videos nice, short, and sweet. So easy to kind of reference, find the one you need to watch, and then move on. Now, when we unboxed this machine, I was looking, and I always do because some machines have manuals printed and in the box and some do not. Now I know these days manuals are a lot easier to just find online, but a lot of us still like to have a printed manual. So in the description below, you can click the link to find the manual that you can print off in its entirety, or as you look through different parts, you might find that you only need to print off maybe a couple pages here and a couple pages there. What came with the machine was and is usually what you do find. Just a basic kind of quick guide for threading and putting the bobbin in, and just some like how to plug it in. I mean, very basic things. And I know that's not what you're looking for. I also know that a lot of people prefer a video these days. So we will be going through all the parts, sewing videos first, embroidery videos next, and we also will put links in the description below to the complete playlist of all the videos. You'll also find that we have some online courses that we highly recommend. So for example, our Embroidery Essentials online course. So it's not about completing the quilt, it's more about learning 15 different embroidery techniques, mastering stabilizers and threads and hooping fiascos and what happens when something goes wrong. That is our most popular online course. And in all of our courses, we have videos that you can watch for free to see if that course is right for you. Another one that we have is Machine Embroidery 101. So this is a lecture. It's a 4-hour class where I talk about everything you need to know before you actually start embroidering. So that one is actually also really good. I know people ask me, well, which one should I do first? And really you could do either one, but honestly, do the Embroidery Essentials one first. That one's easiest. I think people like more the hands-on, but you need the foundation of understanding everything about stabilizers and different fabrics, threads, what to do here, there, where to find designs. In that 101 class, we do have even some small projects for you to work on as well. So just note that even though this machine doesn't come with a manual, the videos you can search for and find the topic that you're looking for. I'll also put them in the order I think you should be watching them, and then that way you can kind of just learn and they build on each other. But if you want to jump ahead, the online courses are going to take you beyond what your manual would have taught you in the first place and give you something to work on. I know when you have a project that you are working through, that's when you can make mistakes, start over, learn from the mistakes, and then master the technique. And we start basic and work into more and more advanced things. This machine will do it all. And I love the options that I can do, plus some of the Wi-Fi capabilities of this machine. Totally excited about. That's something that we've had on other machines, and now this one has it. But I do know that the manual really doesn't go into a lot of detail, but I'll help you along the way with some of those wonderful Wi-Fi compatible features, the access to the library on the MySewingMastery.com website. Again, links below to all of that. And even just a touch onto some of the free software that comes with this machine to be creative with. Let's get started, and I will take you on a journey to master this machine from beginning to end.